Calm down, calm down. Calm down, calm the nerves. Calm down, calm down, calm down. As the reality check continues for Jamaica at the World Championships in London, before we start rebelling and protesting against the athletes, make we put this thing into perspective. It is more than likely that never again in our lifetime will we see the level of dominant success that Jamaica enjoyed in world sprinting over the last decade. We're talking about 3 Olympic Games and 4 World Championships, and little Jamaica averaging over 10 medals per major championships. Well, using my special Maverick formula, which includes talent on the horizon, comparative quality of opponents, etc., Jamaica will regress approximately 50% to begin to average 5 to 6 medals per major championships. And within that 5 to 6 medal haul, we will be lucky to get even 2 or even 1 gold medal. That is how sharp and hard the fall back to reality is going to be. And if Jamaicans are not psychologically prepared for that fall, then it is going to be discombobulating and depressing. I mean, when you're coming from a place where Jamaicans were winning medals in every sprint event and having multiple finalists in every race from the 400 to the sprint hurdles, having captured every single one and 200 meters senior sprint title on offer for the last decade, it's not easy to move from that level to watch Jamaicans exiting the first round or even getting to the semi-final or the final or running down the track. It's not easy. But we have to find a way to awaken from our slumber and state of intoxication by success. We have to get up and smell the coffee. Smell the coffee.